Hey everyone, it's Jared with Heat Press Nation. Have you been looking for a sign on which sublimation project to tackle next? In this video, I'll be covering how you can customize these traditional and antique-shaped sublimation signs from Unisub. So stick around as we'll customize this. Now, if you enjoyed this video or find it to be helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. But to catch the latest tutorials and live episodes from Heat Press Nation, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell. All right, let's get started. These uniquely shaped Unisub signs don't have to be limited to simple graphic designs or text. Whether you choose the traditional or antique shape, you can create a sign with vintage style photos, text, and imagery to suit a particular person or event. Consisting of a robust hardboard material with a white gloss layer coated for sublimation, these Unisub signs are built to display your sublimation transfers at their best quality. Due to the large size of these signs, however, we should note that you'll need a heat press of at least 16 by 20 inches or larger, and a sublimation printer that can accommodate 13 by 19 inch paper, such as the Sawgrass SG-1000 with bypass tray. Assuming you do have the appropriately sized equipment, you may begin by creating and fitting your image within the imprint area of a particular sign. We also recommend downloading and using the Unisub templates available at heatpressnation.com, which will consist of bleed, imprint, and safety layers matching a sign's shape. Using the bleed layer as a clipping mask for your image will particularly help once printed, as this provides enough space to work with when aligning the sign onto the image. In your graphic design software, feel free to add a rustic overlay to your image for some extra vintage flair. Once your image is ready to go, print it through your sublimation printer. As usual for Sawgrass printers, set it to Sawgrass Print Manager and use these settings. Substrate set to polyester, paper set to your paper's profile, source to bypass tray, leave the mirror option checked, and in the color tab, change the color mode to photographic or vivid depending on your image's level of detail. With all of these set, you may click print on SPM. Now that the transfer has printed, you're ready to apply it onto your sign. Turn on your heat press and set it to 80 to 90 seconds at 400 degrees Fahrenheit with medium pressure. When your machine reaches temperature, cover the lower platen with a sheet of parchment paper. Then, place your transfer on top. Now you may bring your sign over and remove any protective film attached onto it. Place and align it to your printed image, and then attach it to the transfer using strips of heat tape. Finally, flip the sign over with the paper side up, cover it with another parchment paper sheet, and press. Once your timer hits 0, open your machine and give the items a moment to cool down. Afterwards, quickly peel the transfer off and you've now made a custom, vintage-style Unisub sign. To learn more about Unisub signs and other sublimation blanks, be sure to visit us at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, you can get in touch with a MyExpert representative at heat.press/support. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thanks for watching.